friends, it's Miss Sarah, and today I'm going to quickly show you how we're going to make our paper chain snake. So your kit's going to come with the instructions and the templates that you're going to need for your snake head, the tongue, and the tail, as well as the template to know what size to cut out, I don't know if you can see it, but what size to cut out your strips of construction paper. You might not get the blue and orange that I have, but you will have two different colors that come in your kit. You're just gonna need your own scissors, tape and glue, tape or glue, whichever you prefer, and something to color your snake head and tail with. So the first thing you're going to do is cut out all of your things. The head, the tail, the tongue, and the little square, so that you know. Then you're going to cut out all of the construction papers so they'll look like this. And if you have more at home, you can make an even longer snake. Or you can even make a really tiny little garden snake. Whatever you would like, but that is it. It comes with the instructions. But this is the quick video, so I hope you have fun, friends. Bye.